Hey guys, I'm Rui. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you come, please subscribe below. That will mean a lot to me. So this week I learned to play the guitar. And in today's video, you'll see how I turn from this. I still suck. Into this. Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is calluses. When you kiss me, heaven signs. And though I close my eyes, I see when you press me to your heart, I'm in the world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. To me, a life will always be la vie en rose. I would like to share with you my love and hate story with the guitar. I first tried to learn it 13 years ago. Oh my god, how time flies. When I saw my friend Neil playing it at school, I told myself that looks really cool. So I got myself one right away and tried to learn it myself. But I suck. Every time I play, my fingertips became so sore, I gave up right away. So many times I can't even remember. So eventually I sold my guitar before I moved out of the States. But now, with the coronavirus spreading everywhere, I'm stuck at home for I don't know how long. I've got all the time I need to learn to play it this time. I hope. I have chosen to learn La Vie en Rose. It's a classic romantic piece that never fails to bring me good feelings about love. And it only has 7 chords. I can do this. My fingertips start to sore again. After only 30 minutes. I still suck. This is so frustrating. As a mother of 2 young children, I'm learning everything with some kind of distractions. The good thing is they're always interested in what I'm doing, and they want to learn as well. But sometimes they're too interested and came too close, with the chair almost smashing their daddy's guitar. Well, this is me when I'm not happy. I'm finally doing well with my 7 chords yesterday and I tried to sing to it. Then I realized they're too high for my vocal. I need to bring it down a bit. So I got this clip from Amazon Next Day Delivery. Whatever it calls. I think put it like that. And now I need to learn 7 new chords. How exciting! This corner of our garden is my sanctuary. We have 3 enormous pine trees that were planted like 30 years ago. And now it's an ideal place for me to swing in my hammock and focus on practicing whatever I'm doing at the moment.
你也要听妈妈弹是不是啊？你也要弹？哦，这样弹，然后这样弹。
Today I woke up with a good feeling that my fingers are stronger now. And they are. It's not that painful anymore, although it's still annoyingly uncomfortable when I switch chords. Now that I got all the chords right, I'm trying to learn to play some finger style for the intro part. It should sound something like this. It still sounds horrible, but I'm making progress. Attention! Spectacle va commencer. Tout le monde est prêt? Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur, une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui, la vie. Il me l'a dit, là tu rêves pour la vie. Et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens un mot.